Fáilte go Leavingcertirish.com is Mr. Sean Gavin, seo Sraith Pictiúr a hocht baile slach for Tidy Town. Agus sulla dos ómid bí cinnte ghuiil an app Leavingcertirish íslódáilte go tá sé fáil ar Google Play nó Apple iTunes. Sraith Pictiúr a hocht baile slach for a Tidy Town. An Charrig Óir is anam den bhaile tá sa Sraith Pictiúr. And Charrig is the name of the town that is in this first picture. Tá an timpplacht sa bhaile gary míchlachfar, the environment of the town or of the area is becoming untidy. Díreach tifmwe de chaláiste na Carriga Óra. Right outside of chaláiste na Carriga Óra. Feicimid na fialaí ag fás ar mothar, we see the weeds growing on the road agus ar na cosáin and on the footpaths. Tá paint ag titim de bhaile na dithe. There is paint falling from the walls of the houses. Agus is laird an dowl, and it's clear to the blind gohfuil an counter shaw ag titim a leg, and that this area is falling into decline. Tá brúscar catar fut na háite. There is rubbish thrown all around the place. Agus tá cuma trécha ar an trád áirithe seo, and there's an abandoned look to this particular road or street. Tá géargá le glantachán. There's a desperate need for clean up or cleaning, agus alán ober yeshuchan an seo, and an awful lot of repair work here. So cúpla ceist, cén fá ghuiil an baile seo ag titim a leg, why is this town falling into disrepair agus an gapan tú ghuiil aine ina gcónaí na tithe sin? And do you think there's anybody living in those houses? Agus rís ag buna leithnig tá cúpla na an seo atá fíorthábhdach dit. I Pictiúr dó tá an nuachtáin á léimh go múntóir agus na daltaí sa rang Gaeilge. In picture number 2, the newspaper has been read by the teacher and the students in Irish class. Caint na Carriga is anam dún nuachtáin seo. Caint na Carriga's name of the newspaper. Léin Buchalawan alt atá bunathe ar Iban Rúscar sa bhaile. One boy reads an article that is based upon the rubbish problem that is in the town. The rare an alt, and be careful with something like that, it's a tissue again, the rare an alt, tá an aib ag gary níos measa lá in ní glé. The problem is becoming worse day by day. Ní mó ná sásta atá na daltaí faoin scéal seo. The students are not one bit happy about this situation. Bégan don na daltaí rud ag ina dhéanamh faoin gúis nóra seo sa bhaile. The students will have to do something about this cause of embarrassment or cause of shame in the town. Cén countedal atá sna nuachtáin, what is the headline in the newspaper? Agus an dóileach ghuiil nóra ar na daltaí faoin scéal seo. Do you think the students are embarrassed about this situation? In picture 3, feicimid ghuiil fógra ar mala sa scoil. In picture 3 we see there's a notice on the wall in the school. Fógrítar, free verb, very important to know. Fógrítar, it's announced. Gummanófer, or it's advertised, Gummanófer cuiste glantachán sa scoil. It's announced that there will be a clean-up committee established, or a cleaning committee, if you like, established in the school. Bei Crinnew sa Laurlan, there will be a meeting in the library today. Ag leabhar tar éis 3, chun an scéal a phlé I meas na naltaí. So to discuss the matter among the students, there will be a meeting in the library today at 3:30. Ag an Crinnew féin at the meeting itself, there an príomhide ghuiil alán brúscar le feiceáil sa scoil. She says that there's a lot of, the principal says, shall I say, that there is a lot of rubbish that can be seen around the school. So sléir nach ghuiil she róhásta, she's not too happy. There she ghuiil na strádanna in ecca na scoile go hanis ar fad. She says the streets beside the school are absolutely terrible, dreadful. Begar who cúpla rud I dhéanamh faoin vibe I rin na seachtainna seo. They're going to have to do something about this problem during this week. Ach ar dús, but at first, bháil é plan cinnte a chur le chéile chun feib an bhrúscar a réiteach I gceart. So, but at first she would like to put a definite plan together chun feib an bhrúscar a réiteach to solve the rubbish problem I gceart properly. Céir de bheidh ar siúl sa Laurlan, what's going to be on in the library today? Agus céir atá in Intin an phríomhide. What has the principal got in her mind, or what's in the principal's mind? Or another way to say it is, what has the principal in mind? Lá an glantachán atá ann agus tá naimse go maith buchas le déobh. It's the day of the clean up and the weather is good, thanks be to God. Feic mí cúpla duine agus iad ag paintáil na rálaí agus na ballaí sa chlós scoile. We see a couple of people as they're painting the rails and the walls in the schoolyard. Feic mí cúpla dalta scoile agus iad ag bailiú brúscar timpeall na scoile. So we see a couple of students as they are gathering rubbish around the school. Cura boscí brúscar a chuirsála i glós na scoile. Very important phrase now. There were recycling bins put into the schoolyard. Lína na bóchalaí na boscí brúscar le pápéir, glini agus airí crua chomá. The boys filled the bins or the recycling bins with paper, glass and airí crua is hard goods. An mana tá scríofa ar na boscí brúscar ná a úsáid leidig a chuirsáil. So the motto that is written on the recycling bins is reuse, reduce agus recycle. Cúpla ceis, cén fág bhfuil na daoine ag paintáil, where are the people painting, agus cén mana tá scríofa ar na boscí brúscar, and what motto has been written on the recycling bins. I picture chuig an Sathar na Town agus tá glanna sús áitiúil ar siúd sa bhaile. So in picture 5 it's Saturday and there's a local clean-up taking place in the town. Feic míad fear one agus é na cheasamh ar an dréimre agus ag paintáil an bhaile. We see one man standing up on a ladder as he's painting the wall. Feic míad buachal agus é peocha sús blúiríní pápéir agus písí beaga brúscar. We see a boy as he's picking up small little pieces of paper and small pieces of rubbish as well. Ní eic míad na fialaí uachracha ag fás ar na cosán agus ar thaobh an bhóthar a hiile. We no longer see the rampant weeds as they're growing on the footpaths and on the side of the road. Feic míad ban agus ag paintáil balla antí is léir go bhfuil cléchlú omláin treis tarlú ar an tráid seo. We see a woman as she's painting the wall of the house, and it's clear that there's a total transformation, great word to learn, treis tarlú ar an tráid seo after taking place on this street. Gan doubt, beag muinter an cheantar fíormhaíoch dá na daltaí. For sure, the people of there would be extremely grateful to the students. Mar deran seanachil ní neart go cur le chéile. As the old proverb says, or the saying goes, ní neart go cur le chéile, there is strength in unity. Agus cúpla ceist, céir atá dhéanamh ag an bhfear an dréimre, what is the man doing on the ladder, agus céir de tharla don na fialaí, and what happened to the weeds? I picture sé feic mí na daltaí ar ais sa rang as iad ag machnamh ar an deaobair ar rinne le déanaí. So we see the students as they're back in the class and they're reflecting. Ag machnamh is reflecting on the good work that was done recently. Mullen an príomhide gach duinecha. The principal praised every one of them. There she gunnearna she tú smá leis an bplan. She said they made a great start to the plan. Tá she anamhródúil as an ggóibrú agus as an diongamháilteacht a haspáin siad. She's very proud of the cooperation and the determination that they showed or demonstrated. De réir an cheanglíne ar caint na carraige, tá an brat glas tiltte go mór ag an scoil. According to the headline on the newspaper Caint na Carraige, the green flag has been richly deserved by the school. So ran óg nuacht an chunte in the section nuacht an chunte, deirte go bhfuil muintir na háite ag fólam ón óige agus an death rampla a thug siad. It says that the people of the area are learning from the youth or the young people and the good example that they gave. Gan doubt, nuair léon na daltaí na tuairiscí seo, for sure, nuair léon na daltaí na tuairiscí seo, when they read these reports, tá bród an down orthu. They're very, very proud. Cúpla ceist arís, an dóileat go bhfuil bród ar an bríomhide. Do you think the principal is proud? Agus cén dearcha táid na man cumarsáide faoin obair rinne, and what perspective or what viewpoint do you think the media has about the work that was done? Sin deire an cheachta má tá aon cheist agat take go Leavingcertirish.com agus seo ceist chum ar an rifos nó take go Facebook nó Twitter agus fear leat do chuid ceist na chur an sin. Gur míle mágat, slán tamlaí.